Put the workpiece into the machine. Click the Start button. The machine will automatically run according to the set program. Please note, be careful to observe when running a new program for the first time. Or run the machine empty. If program settings are found to be incorrect, please promptly press the emergency stop button. The machine will automatically mill, rotate, and complete all the set holes. After the machine completes the processing, click the clamp button again, and the clamp will be released. Take out the workpiece from the machine.